I didn't get.
Sanyaru.
Bakarara. Then I turned it. Getting that inside. Better than that.
What's my vision?
That depends.
So, what's next?
Kaita seyu katadza ugume unoda ndikuti sori pandinosvika mausiku unoramba wakarara unoramba kundifirira koni zvikaramba zvakadai so uchandishaya pamusha pano ndinenge ndanange joni inini semurume ndikakupa mutemo yangu unoramba unota ndigoni hazvisizvo ndaitarisira kwauri kuti uchandidaro divo wangu mazuva ekutanga inga zvaifaya waikoshesa kundipawo nguva yangu asi why, rudo ruchidai so. Asi why, rudo ruchidai so. Ndini here, ndiri kutadza kunyatsotonga zvemusha wangu. Ndoutiza here, zvandiri baba vemusha ndongogarirawo vana vangu. Nowanza kuteerera shamwari.
Vanessa, Lily,
Keep out.
Nothing to do with this.
Lily. Sano chichengeta vana zvongochita nemurume chitora. Inini I'm done. I'm done. Because of you. Stay out of this, Mashuzwa. It's too late. If you didn't want me to be pregnant, why did you make me pregnant? Daddy.
Where?
You don't look so good. You look like crap, bro.
Thank you.
Got my mother on chin. As an American and I live out of a preacher and well, I know that look. What happened? Anyway, why didn't you tell me?
My China and Lily, they're good people. Secondary taught in Tauri right then I'm not ofunga otherwise.
But honestly, I'm okay to happen to but drama. I think I should actually start a reality TV or probably a drama. Kanenge kachinzi Zviri Mudzimba. Kanenge shout about Zviri Mudzimba, and then I'll be taking like from your life experience. But hey, I think you would be the main character. Chinzi Babatani, the womanizer.
Really?
Honestly, no, just gonna matter go Hollywood. September 6th.
No. Thank you, but no thank you. I hate cameras.
Yo, Saka, Josiane.
Yeah.
Kosiji, how did she think you'll treat her?
See, no. Whatever happened between me and the ladies was from the perfect hour.
My brother, you're a good man. A very good man. But hey, sometimes bad things happen to good people.
So you know, what goes on, you don't feel more sad.
All I'm just saying is, sometimes bad things do happen to good people.
Oh, come on, don't you feel better? It's not working.
Right. Sagans. One day there was a disaster when Onglialis tried to pull himself up onto the table. We go Onglialis. Kumona. Mamona. Ichi. Chicken.
Chicken. Irkuta yanakona. Chichi.
Chibi. Ichi tortoise.
Chip.
The tortoise.
Tortoise.
The cat.
Cats.
The mustard.
Stuff.
Lots of
You're good at this.
Hens.
Patience don't Korea. I'm not with Ashana Pana.
kids are kids, Sha. You need the patience. Yampane. Nta umweke yako hapo. Ngoja unaita hivyo. Nishaona chakula kuita. Oh, Sara uchifano verenga. Like you said, whatever happens between you and the women doesn't have to affect the kids, but I think you were wrong because I think kuti vana kuti vanyatsokura zvinhu zvese zviri stable, they need both parents kuti zvingobalance both sides.
There's nothing I can do.
You know, I think ukangona senge side rako chete and not side revana, it will be so selfish and unfair. It's not like she's dead or anything. Talk to her. Kana zvanetsaka, I don't know. Because, you know, even kana vakafa, you as the father has to stand up and find the kids a good mother who will take care of them and love them.
She left. She made a choice. Apana zvandokwanisa kuzviita ini. Unondiita sebada. I can take care of the kids. I know I can. I believe I can fly.
Ndangotaurawo zviri mupfungwa mangu. But anyway, skuri seiko basi and ngomata pfuma.
No, I'm glad that you are here. I love you a lot.
Love you more. Yeah.
Okay.
And vapedzise omwe sidaba nazvo angatoite panapo.
Baby, batisi kuisa mashoko mumoyo.
Can you sleep?
No. You?
I'm hungry.
I said don't say no, I'll go with you about the person.
You want?
No.
Zvinondirwadza ukona wakadai.
I'm fine.
Ndosaka usikurara. You know, every man needs a break, but then when some break down, it's hard for them to pick themselves up. Tanya and Siddhi should be your pillar of strength and your light in the darkness. Ndagara ndinofanira kuita counselor manje.
You can be anything you want.
I miss them.
It's okay to miss people. It's natural.
As you don't.
I don't know.
Where go?
That's a question that keeps me up all night. I don't know.
You should get some rest, don't you? Nararo.
Wanda. Awende nitikafunulala.
It's like that, like son, huh?
Whatever.
You remember, Babaro Ganesh? Why is it okay? I'm going to now. I'm going to go back. But I'm going to go to
Go, tamba, tamba. Go, Giza. I don't know what you're talking about. Like Giza 5 or 9 buses. So poga mire baba munatosvika utaundo panadzogeza machendegedze panje
ndauka kugona mbafa uirongera ndauka kira du
good luck
clearly you have issues. But are you okay?
No. Are you okay?
No.
What's wrong?
Nah, don't worry. It's nothing big. Tell me when we my issues in first.
You know you can talk to me, right? You always come first.
I know. Those is there, but don't worry. You know, I really respect you because despite you going through this bad phase, you still have to try and make time for me. You're a good man.
Don't say that.
just because you're going through a bad phase doesn't mean you're not a good man.
Do you know what I've done? I have hurt people. I've broken hearts. Now 2 sisters can't even stand each other because of me. My Tanya is gone. My marriage is gone. Lily is gone. Tafuma is gone. Everyone who ever loved and cared about me is gone. My children's future is uncertain because of me. So no, I am not a good person.
They say problem shared is half solved. How are you feeling now?
I was trying to hide it all along. But now that I've said it out loud, I can see clearly what I have done. I have hurt a lot of people. And you know, they say life is good when others are happy because of you. But I have hurt everyone. And I can't even make it right. I don't even know where they are.
Just try to be strong. Just try to be strong. I just hope it gets better. Horrible. I think I go so. Have you tried to do that?